Drop a dime, unraveling the mystery of this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, drop a dime. This idiom might sound strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in conversation. Let's dive in. The phrase, drop a dime, has a historical background. It originates from the United States, dating back to when public payphones were common. To make a call, you needed to drop a dime into the phone's coin slot. Initially, this phrase was associated with informing or snitching, particularly when someone would call the police or authorities to report another person's activities. Over time, the meaning of drop a dime has evolved. In modern English, it's often used in sports contexts, particularly in basketball. Here, drop a dime refers to making an excellent pass that leads to a score. It highlights skill and precision, much like carefully placing a dime in a payphone slot. Let's see how drop a dime can be used in different contexts. 1. Informing on someone. After witnessing the crime, he decided to drop a dime and call the police. 2. Basketball. The point guard can really drop a dime. His passes are always on point. Understanding the context is crucial in figuring out which meaning is being used. There are similar phrases in English that can be confused with drop a dime. For example, spill the beans also means to reveal secret information. However, it doesn't carry the same connotation of informing authorities as drop a dime does. Knowing these nuances is key to mastering English idioms. And that's a wrap on drop a dime. We hope this video has shed light on this unique phrase and its usage in English. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.